Very well maintained fourplex in desirable Croissant Park. New roof and impact windows installed in 2008. Coin laundry on premises. One unit is currently vacant and being updated. It will rent at market rate of $1,000 plus per month. Long-term tenant in the other units paying below market rent. Opportunity to significantly improve ROI with new leases at current market rates. 2 units with central air and 2 units with wall window units. Property is zone room 15 and is suitable for sober home conversion. By appointment only. Do not disturb tenants.